Hey guys, I am so excited you're here and to go grocery shopping with Mo and I. She has a wealth of knowledge and I have a wealth of knowledge of what you can eat for a healthy diet and specifically for the ketogenic diet and the dangers of being in the store. So it's going to be a vlog style, but you're going to learn a lot of what to and not to eat. I think it'll be extremely helpful for you on your health and fitness journey. So I encourage you to get your little notebook out, maybe open up a little app on your phone and take notes of things to avoid. So that way when you're in the store and you're like, oh yeah, that video, you can actually make better choices. So I think it's a lot of fun and we kind of ramble, but I think you're really gonna enjoy it. If you're new to my channel, my name's Brienne. I do healthy videos. I have for years and I'm just sharing it with the world. And if you are interested in that and getting as much knowledge as possible to make your life the happiest and best that you can be, then please subscribe below. It would mean the world to me. Give this a thumbs up, share with your friends, and without further ado, let's get to this. By the way, I have a bunch of fast food videos coming, just so you know, stay tuned.
Okay, aren't they?
I don't look at the back.
I love capers.
What do you put capers on?
Okay, so I grew up in an Italian family. So
okay.
Capers with chicken breast.
Do it then. Get some. Okay.
Any of your Italian sauces, you can put capers in, and it gives it that nice
Didn't you get something to try the carrots with? Maybe carrots and capers would be good. Okay. So we got smoked herring, which I was really excited, and it's in canola oil, so I can't. I'm really sad. But they do have boneless, skinless mackerel, so I don't know. Those are high-fat fish, which might be good. Might be terrible. I don't know. So all of these have dates, which are really, really high in sugars. So when you look at it, one bar is, how many servings are there in one? Let's look. Is one bar considered a serving?
Yes.
Okay, good.
210 calories.
210, Jesus. Going on a hike, carbs, 13 grams of sugar. Ugh. This is scary, Mo.
Low in fat too.
And it's low in fat, so no goes. Okay. So no on the RX bar. Oh, the complete cookie is really popular. Let's look at that. Cookie, baked nutrition.
Already full of cane sugar. 12 grams.
And the first ingredient is wheat flour. Good stuff. You want some chocolate and just add some stevia. Make yourself like a smoothie. I've actually heard that putting an avocado inside of a blender.
I've been looking at these cocoa powders everywhere, and they all have the same ingredients.
Really?
Charge more.
Really? Hey, Mo's gonna save you some money. I don't
They
even.
are all the same cocoa powders.
Okay.
Hershey's, whatever cocoa powder you think you need to buy that's organic, they are all the same.
Okay, good. Save us money.
I know.
Added, but it says cauliflower and corn flour. Don't eat corn flour. It's bad. That's so disappointing. So let's see. It says with a cauliflower crust, cheese. Okay. So potato. Oh, it was so good, but we got to potato flour. Damn it. Potato flour is not okay. Brown rice flour is actually worse than white flour. That sucks. So that's not good either. Don't eat that. It said corn flour. Oh, I know, right? I get so excited and then, okay, organic 3 cheese pizza. Nope, wheat flour. Damn. Water seasoning tapioca syrup is just like any. It's really bad. You don't want to eat that.
Yeah.
Carrots. Maltodextrin at the bottom. Jesus, man. So you think you're getting something healthy and it's not. It's so frustrating. So just buy these. There's probably nothing in them, right? The ingredients is sockeye salmon. May contain bones. Well, that would suck, but other than that, that's good. What if you've got any other high-fat fish? Tilapia is a bottom feeder. Don't buy that. Swordfish steaks are low in fat, but they're good. These are good too. So if you're not going to spiralize your own, this would be pretty cool. And it's just carrots and sea salt. So that's a good choice for pasta if you want to change it up. I don't know if I'd like that. It'd have to be like a sweet sauce, like a cream sauce. Maybe a pesto sauce. To actually use because they're already peeled. Now it's summertime, I don't want this in a pizza, but yeah. Beans are not okay. Eggplant, zucchini, and red peppers. That might be something different. Let's see.
I really got to check on this because a lot of these has sunflower oil and I legit cannot remember. That's actually pretty good. I would try that. Organic rice cauliflower. We found some that doesn't have anything weird. That's just sea salt. So if you're not willing or you don't have a food processor.
But it says 2 grams of sugar. How?
Is that naturally occurring in the cauliflower though? Is it a higher starch?
Well, it doesn't say.
Yeah, so it might just be a little bit starchier. So there's 2 grams of dietary fiber, 2 grams of sugar, and 0 grams of fat. So you got to add a bunch of fat to this. Like if we make it ourselves.
Look, all I did was steam it and then I stuck it in the food processor.
And look, they add
with
rice
all the
flour.
ingredients.
Okay, so screw this and screw buying it. Tell us what you did, Mel. How'd you make it delicious?
Okay, so I took real cauliflower. I
It's real
steamed
food.
it on the stove.
Okay.
Okay, and then I took it out and put it in the food processor.
Okay.
Blended it with the cream cheese, the butter, the yellow cheese, the bacon, the ranch packet. I made it fattening.
Yeah.
And it was good.
Num 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 nums. And there was no rice flour.
No rice flour.
Just add a bunch of fat to it and I'm like dancing around like, that's the way. I like it. And Mo's like, I can't be seen with this person. Ooh, spring rolls. Let's see if we got a winner.
I'm sure they're horrible anyway.
Hey, go, breadcrumbs is the second ingredient.
Wheat flour, sugar.
Oh my god, I got so excited about the spinach and artichoke choke dip, and then I turned it and I was like, I can't even read that. Like, what is that? No. Definitely avoid the mac and cheese balls. Oh god. A safe area, usually. Let's see what they mix with.
Salty these for the farce and
Olives are good. What's up?
Almonds, cashews, chocolate, cocoa, natural flavors, and sea salt.
That one. What's the first ingredient?
Well,
Vegetable oil.
vegetable oil.
Darn. Oh, seeding almond topper with slight snack mix. What do we got? Sliced almonds. Actually, we can do this one. Woohoo! 14 grams of fat, 6 grams, 2, so that's 4 carbs. I can make this for myself at home with ingredients I already have, but that's a good idea. Just to throw on top of your salads. I'm just gonna pre-make them to save money, but if you're needing the time, it's $4.
Like this, that are open.
Okay.
So it took me much longer to peel them and eat them.
Okay.
And I would only eat like 5 instead of the whole bag.
But if you're gonna do this, mix it in with the good nuts, right? Good nuts. I'm not a grown-up.
Pumpkin seeds.
Sunflower seeds down on the bottom. What else we got? Brazil nuts are really high in fat and they taste terrible, so make sure to mix them with something good. Because.
Oh, I love me some walnuts.
And yes, walnuts are awesome. Okay.
Actually, that's been my
Hazelnuts are actually okay too, but they taste. I think they are. Let's check their carb content. How to read a
5
label.
grams, so they're not that bad.
So 17 grams of fat. You go down to the carbs. There's 5 grams. Subtract the dietary fiber. So 5 minus 3 equals 2, and there's 1 gram of sugar and a bunch of protein. So these would actually be really good, and it does. And they are just hazelnuts. I'm buying those. I am curious. I'm gonna make some. I'm actually gonna try to make us granola bars for the plane fight. I'll let you know what it is.
The Chile spice.
Oh, I've never had that ever.
Always loved them.
Girl, if you, I didn't know you had a dehydrator. I'm gonna raid your kitchen now.
26 grams.
And what? How much is a serving? A half a cup? Oh my god.
Yeah,
So it's like what, 1 piece?
maybe 2.
Sweetened and dried, whole, organic. Let's see. 29 grams of sugar. Jesus Christ. See, the second ingredient is always sugar. And sunflower oil is no good either. It's a polyunsaturated, it's a PUFA, polyunsaturated fatty acid. It's one of the things. This might be good in a trail mix. 14 grams of sugar. Jesus Christ.
Well, see, I've got
It's like a heart attack. Now that's our section, Mo. I've been getting organic, unsalted from Costco because it's really good for baking cookies and stuff. That's been awesome.
And that might be part of my problem. I've been doing very many baking sweets because Wade eats it now.
You
And they do kind of taste kind of salty.
Pardon me. Yeah, you gotta use unsalted.
Sorry.
Sorry. And then, what about this? How many sugars are in here? 2 grams, that's not actually that bad. Okay. So for a tablespoon. Oh God. Okay.
Really good because all you got was like fajitas.
Yeah.
But little did you know they mixed corn syrup and
rice flour.
and dipped it in pancake mix or something.
Right, like your omelet from IHOP that had pancake batter in it and you were sick for a week. It's like ridiculous.
And of course you didn't tell me until afterward.
Oh, lovely. Just wanted to make it so you couldn't poop for a week. Extra, what's it called? Cold pressed, extra virgin olive oil. Do they have any cold pressed? I wonder how unfiltered would taste. Oh, brand. Hi, sir.
And or sunflower oil.
Like I said, I gotta relook up sunflower oil. I guess I could look up on my phone real quick.
I don't think they're as bad as
Vegetable oil is no good.
I mean, this only has 30 grams.
Potatoes for my pastas. Yes. Okay, they're a little bit high in sugar. I understand, but you know, girls gotta live. We should just live together and just like the men can just like go live someplace else.
I'm not totally opposed to that.
All right, so we recorded as much as we could, and it got a little overwhelming. I have a headache. Nothing is food.
No.
Nothing is food. It's all just some variation of sugar and or carb. Even the fucking beef jerky. I don't even know if I recorded that section because it was.
Did you say fucking?
I'm gonna have to bleep that out. Woohoo! So, anyways, we're trying to wrap it up. I was fairly disappointed, honestly. We called ahead and they said they had keto snacks, and
Trader Joe's, you know.
And that's expensive. Like, that was a lot of money for what we got. It was like $2 for like a beef jerky bar, and you can buy a whole bag of Duke's beef jerky from Costco for like, I don't know, $5.
Yeah.
It's a whole bag. So, I mean, it's, anyways, very disappointing, but we wanted to give you a little bit of things. So, say thank you to Mo. Give a thumbs up for her because she's awesome. And she's super camera shy, did not want to be on the camera.
No,
and it pretty much was all me recording you like the entire time. It was just going to be the Mo video. Have a good one, guys. Subscribe. See you guys next time.
On here, I had to hop on and just say really quickly, moral of the story is if you're not going to read the ingredients, if you don't have time, don't buy it. Because no matter what you think the label says, if it says cauliflower on the front for the pizza crust, if it says it's okay for, you know, your sauteed veggies, if it says it's mashed potato mix that's really cauliflower mashed potatoes, it's not any of those things. It's always cut with something. I want you to reach your goals. I want you to be successful. I want you to have the best, happiest, healthiest life. I don't believe that marketing should get in the way of that for you. I think that you deserve to feel good, and if you're going to put forth the effort, that this is BS that they do this to us. So go and shop the perimeter, get the real foods, make it yourself if you have the time, and if not, take the time to read those ingredients. Thank you so much for watching this with me. I hope this was helpful and informative. I really hope you are successful with your goals, and I just want to be there for you with that. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and if you want to see more. If you have any questions about this, if you're just starting keto, always comment below. If you are curious why these things are bad, or if you want a dedicated video for specific ingredients you should watch out for with like a PDF, I can always do that as well. So, I have finally reached 1,000 subscribers. I cannot appreciate the support more. My family, pretty much my whole family is like doing this with me now. And my next video will be all about giveaways. So, see you guys in the next one.